Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch your account on the Bingo Blitz game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bingo Blitz game on your device, and after you complete the basic tutorial, you will gain access to the map menu, from which you can scroll through the various levels within the game. Now from this page, if you wish to switch your account, then you will need to know that there is no direct option of adding multiple accounts. So tap on the menu icon first at the top right corner, and this will open the menu page. If you scroll all the way down from the menu page, you will find the connect as well as logout button. Go ahead and tap on this. And now you have the option to connect your email address or your phone number to your current account or log out completely. If you tap on email or phone, the new account that you log into will also be connected to your current account. So make sure you tap on the logout button first and you will be logged out from your account. After logging out for your game, you can tap on the menu button once again and scroll down and you will find the connect button. You can then use your email or your phone and then connect to your account that you want to log into. Tap on the login button and then use your email address or your phone. And after using your credentials to log in, you will now be logged into the new account that you just entered the credentials for. So while there is no direct option to use multiple different accounts, you will need to log out from your original account, because otherwise both of your accounts will be linked to each other. So make sure to pay attention to that detail. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to switch your account on the Bingo Blitz game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.